My cordless vacuum had just died on me and thought of trying a budget cordless vacuum. Then I stumbled upon with this brand Deerma VC20 cordless vacuums, and it costs less than Rm300, which is less than 65 US dollar. For information, Deerma is an independent company in China that collaborates with Xiaomi. Yes, the China giant smartphone manufacturer, so do expect a standard quality product from them. I got it from an online store, We Supermarket on Shopee Malaysia, and they got a physical store at Sri Petaling. So here's a quick unboxing of the vacuum. First is the user manual, but all in Chinese. Then an edge cleaning brush, 2-in-1 nozzle brush, extension tube, floor brush that has a soft round brush that spins 3000 RPM. Next is the power adapters with mainland China plug, lastly the main machine. To set it up is pretty simple as it is modular. All you need to do is just join all the necessary parts. The vacuum has 2 suction modes, and this is the noise level. A complete charge will require about 4 hours and give you about 30 minutes operating time with normal suction and 80 minutes at maximum suction, which is alright for an average size house. Here are the things that I like the vacuum. It's lightweight and I'm 6 feet 1, the length is alright and I don't really need to bend a lot to use it. It sucks, literally it can clean the floor with just the normal mode. The vacuum floor brush has a flexible swivels and also able to vacuum at tight space. Besides that, the floor brush will not tilt up like other budget vacuums. Now here come the things that I don't like. The vacuum doesn't stand when I need to store it or charge it. The dust capacity is only 600 ml. I can't really complain much, after all it's a sub Rm300 vacuum. Coming to the dust capacity, the cleaning is pretty simple and you may even use water to clean it. Twist open the can, lift up the filters and remove the HEPA filter before put it to clean. So what do you think about this budget cordless vacuum? Personally, it has a great design which recognized by IF award, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's highly recommended if you're looking for a budget cordless vacuum. Do check We Supermarket over at Shopee if you're looking for this vacuum or some other Xiaomi imported products, as they offer warranty and importantly they have a physical store in Malaysia. I will place their link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to YouTube channels, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.